Okay, first one of the day, Kawasaki Z900. This belongs to a mate of mine. Just finished the Malle Mile ride all through Scotland. They did get caught in quite a bit of rain, so we've got our work cut out for us with this. Get all these forks all polished up, wheels clean, degreased, all that exhaust polished. Get these engine cases all polished up because they had a bit of a oil leak, which he's going to get someone to look at this weekend. But time for me to get my old magic wand out, get this old Z900 looking like it should. We'll do some degreasing. I'm going to do a two-stage polish on this tank. It's got a little mark there where the fuel must have been leaking out. We've got engine cases to polish. We've got lots of detailing to do on this, so wish me luck. Give me a few hours. There you go. This Kawasaki Z900 has now been fully trotted. This has had one of our legendary full Monty valets. This was pretty dirty as it's just come back from the Malle Mile ride all through Scotland. I think they did about 1,200 miles in terrible weathers. But a few hours in my hands, it's looking pretty sweet again. All that exhaust has all been polished, all up underneath. Engine covers, fork bottoms have all been polished. Every single wheel been polished. All your brake hubs been polished, swing arms polished, nice little bit of XCP on the motor. All your chains been serviced. I just did a two-stage machine polish on that tank. Look at the gloss on that. Managed to remove those marks on there. All done. Just over 3 hours. Get yours booked in now. 07966 249 963.